Can I have a sippy cup?
Kentucky Learning Center. This child is she's trying to get the kid to learn how to say, may I or can I have something, please? And because he just keeps saying, I want to have, and he cannot figure it out. Watch.
No, you're not. Not until you say it. Can I?
What do you want?
Have a sippy cup.
Have a sippy cup.
Can I have a sippy cup? Oh, go away! Go.
Come on, Wyatt, you can do it, dude. What is it?
Can I have a sippy cup? No! Turn the light back on. Now, I'm not joking.
Where's the sippy cup?
Can I?
Can I?
Can I? Can I have a sippy cup?
No!
Why? I don't get it. Why? Why can't you say
Shut
can
up.
I,
Now, go.
please?
I'm gonna smack you.
Can I have a booty?
Dude, she's gonna pop your booty.
Can I?
Can I?
Can I?
Can I? Can I?
Can I?
Can I?
Can I?
I'll have a sippy cup.
Can I have a sippy cup?
I'll have a
No, not I want. No. Don't ever say want again. Say, can I have a sippy cup? No.
I know. I don't get it. I don't get
At least he said wanna have. No, I want.
I do already.
No. Can I?
Can I?
And he's picking his
Have a-
nose.
Have I?
Sippy cup.
Have a sippy cup.
Can I have a sippy cup?
Have a sippy cup.
Can I have a sippy cup?
Can I have a sippy cup?
Give me a
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get out, dude.
Good job.
Oh, that's so funny.
Okay.
That's beautiful.
No, don't do it again. No.
Yeah, Gannon.
Don't talk.